Hey guys, what's up? How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing awesome. I'm Annie and welcome to my channel. I talk about everything beauty, skincare and fashion. So if you're interested, stick around.
But before that, subscribe to my channel for regular updates.
Today we are going to talk about the most popular, the most talked about, the most sought after, like game changer sunscreens, which are Korean sunscreens, right? I'm sure you would have heard about them. And the only one that you would have heard about is Beauty of Joseon sunscreen, which is obviously doing rounds for the right reasons. But I'm going to cover my top 4 sunscreens from Korea, tried and tested, and why I love them. So stick around till the end if you're interested, okay? The first sunscreen that I'm going to talk about is the OG. This is Beauty of Joseon. This is how it looks like, guys. And it is actually popular for the right reasons. Now I am going to show it to you first, how it looks like on skin, because I've not applied anything on my skin. This is how my skin normally looks like. This is how I look like at home, guys. This is how most of us look like. So I just wanted to be very, very real in front of you. So this is the first one I'm going to try, which is Beauty of Joseon. This is how it looks like on the skin, guys. It's extremely lightweight, okay, and it melts so beautifully on the skin, and it suits all skin types. It will suit all skin types, be it oily, be it dry, whatever you are. See, and guys, I have tested this in the hot weather of Rajasthan because I am from Rajasthan, and I have tested it, and it definitely helps me save my skin from all the sun damage, okay? And it is so easy to reapply also. So this is how it looks like on the skin. No white cast, very good formulation, and very, very long lasting. This is how it looks like. In case if you're interested, I'll show you a closer one as well. So this is how it looks like on bare skin. See guys, really good. You need to understand why Korean sunscreens are popular, okay? It's not that we don't have SPF 50 here or we don't have PA+++ here. We do have them. But Korean sunscreens formulations are on a different level. Why? Because they also have a lot of nourishing ingredients in it, and they also have great sunscreen ingredients in it, right? Now, when it comes to this one basically has rice extracts. It has probiotics for skin. Now, you probably would know that how probiotics is very important for your gut. It's the same way probiotics is very important for your skin, right? So any probiotic ingredient in your skin care is extremely beneficial for your skin. So, which is why this one really cuts across all skin types. It cuts across all the sunscreens out there, and that's why it's kind of becoming so popular. Now they've also come with another version, which is their latest launch, extremely fluid, which obviously has not come to India yet. It is kind of released in Korea, but that is also a great formulation. That is something that I would love to try and share it with you next. I wanted to talk about it first because I wanted to kind of get this out, because there's so many videos out there talking about Beauty of Joseon. So I don't want to spend too much time on it. I actually want to kind of show you other sunscreens which are more popular in Korea than in India or globally, and nobody's talking about them, okay? Second sunscreen I'm going to talk about is this, guys. Yes, this is how it looks like. It is basically by a brand called Round Lab. Now this sunscreen is #1 sunscreen in Korea. Yes, you heard it right. It is #1 sunscreen in Korea. You'll be surprised. Koreans don't care much about Beauty of Joseon brand. There are other brands which are far more popular, and I've done a full video on Korean skincare which are very popular there. I've tried them myself and I've given you my recommendation. So in case if you're interested, you can check it out. These Korean products nobody's talking about, and they are so underrated in India, but they are delivering like great results, okay? Now the second sunscreen is this one. Now let me show you the formulation, guys. Again, this is SPF 50, PA+++, broad spectrum. Guys, that is like basic in most Korean sunscreens, so I'm not going to emphasize too much on it. I'm just going to focus more on why they are so good, apart from the fact that they protect you from the sun so beautifully. So this is the sunscreen, guys. Again, suitable for all skin types. No white cast, and it merges so well with the skin. See, no white cast, merges so well with the skin, and it looks really good on our skin. Let me also apply it on my face. I just love this one. So let me show you on the face also. Okay. This is how it looks like on your face, guys. See, it's, you don't feel you've applied sunscreen. I love it so much. This one, guys, is my second recommendation. It is only available on Amazon. It has some of the best ingredients out there for nourishment, which is your vitamin C, vitamin E, birch juice. Again, that helps you soothe your skin, keep your moisture in place. It hydrates your skin. That's why Korean sunscreens are such a big rage. Now, this one is the second one. Please try it out. It will suit all skin types, I promise. Third recommendation that I have is this. This is basically by Centella Skin 10004. Now, I'm not sure if you've heard, but in case you've heard, Skin 1004 is a Korean skincare brand which is doing rounds for its ampules, for its serums, for its face washes. But not too many people are talking about their sunscreens, and which is why I wanted to talk about it. Now, this is my second bottle, guys. I ordered for a small one because I usually keep sunscreens in my bags. I keep it in my car. Just in case I have to reapply, I should have sunscreen with me. Now, it's a hack that you can also try. That's why I always have these mini bottles. Again, this is a great one, guys. Now, this brand is obviously great, but their sunscreen is equally good, and I don't know why people are not raving about it. Okay. Again, this will suit all skin types. And it is very lightweight formula. It does not leave any white cast, and it is great under makeup, without makeup, both ways. So see, this is how it looks like, you know, and it is brilliant formulation when it comes to you know, protecting your skin, moisturizing your skin, hydrating your skin, from all angles. So between the fourth recommendation that I have, and I don't have it here because that bottle is over and I threw it much before I started making content, and now I kind of make it a point to keep all my bottles just to show you which products are good and I've really used them. But this one is my fourth recommendation from the Korean sunscreen, and it is called Nimuzin. I'm going to put the link here, or I'll just show you the photo here. Now, it's called Nimuzin sunscreen. Now, Nimuzin number 5, you would have heard of, you know, great brand to solve your hyperpigmentation problem. And I've done a full review on Korean products. This is the link here, guys. Check it out in case if you have not done it. But this is another brand which is extremely popular for its hyperpigmentation solutions, like their toner pads, like their number 5, you know, serums. But this sunscreen is again very good. Okay, again, it's only available on Amazon because I think Tina and Nykaa are still trying to kind of get most Korean products to India. Maybe eventually we'll get our hands on it. But for now, if you're interested, then Amazon is your only possible option, guys. Now, what really happens is this one that I tried, which is Nimuzin sunscreen, it is very fluid. Like, it is really kind of, it flows through your skin. So if you like something which is extremely lightweight, right? Like you would have seen the Wishcare sunscreen from India, which is doing rounds because of how fluid it is. It is on a similar texture, okay? And so if you're interested in a sunscreen which is extremely fluid, which kind of flows through your skin, then that is a great option to try if you're interested. Now, these are my top 4 recommendations for sunscreen, guys. Now, if you ever kind of, you know somebody who's traveling to US or, you know, Europe or any other part, or traveling to Korea or Japan or even Bangkok for that matter, please ask them to get these sunscreen for you. Why it is good idea to ask them to get it for you is mostly what happens is Korean brands always give you great offers on it. So mostly you'll have 1+1 offer on these sunscreens, where while you're paying for one, you know, sunscreen here for one bottle, same price you'll get 2 bottles there. So that's what I do, guys. Whenever I have to kind of get new Korean products or try Korean products which are not available in India, I always ask my friends to kind of get it for me. I order it to their house, and whenever they're traveling, I ask them to get it here. Now, that's what I do. It's just a tip. If you're interested, you can ask your people to kind of get it for you. You get really great offers. Now, what is Sephora in India is actually Olive Young in Korea. Okay, so you won't get Sephora's there. There's a chain called Olive Young, which is equivalent to Sephora in India, and they basically kind of put like the skincare and your makeup together under one roof. They have online store and as well as retail store. Now you can order from the online website, which is the Olive Young website, and get it delivered to your friend's house or wherever they are traveling, and then eventually they can carry it for you. Now, when you kind of shop from their website or their app, you will realize they have great offers out there. You know, and they always have 1+1. They always have great discounts. So it's a great idea to shop that way in case if you're interested in Korean products to try and to buy. Okay, and whatever you have in India, of course, you have it in India, so you can buy through that. But apart from that, if you're interested, then that's the way to kind of go about it. Now, these were my top recommendation from Korean sunscreens. I think I've blabbered a lot. That's all from my end, guys. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, and if you found this useful and informative, then please subscribe, please like, please comment. You know the drill, guys. It just helps me do better, grow better, and bring you stuff that you have not heard of, or kind of add value to things that you don't know about. That's my endeavor with all the videos, and that's about it, guys. Thank you so much. Love you. Bye.